Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. We're diving straight into the myEcon compensation plan for 2025. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to break it down for you as simply as possible so you can see the entire compensation plan all on one page just to show you how simple and how effective and how powerful the myEcon compensation plan is, especially as we head into 2025. So first and foremost, let's break down the three different ways to earn with the myEcon compensation plan. So the first is when you sponsor someone, okay? When you get a sale, you're going to bring somebody in either at the $25 level, the $45 level, or the $100 level. You're going to earn either a 15, 35, or 70% instant commission. And you're going to get that paid out literally the following Friday. So the sales week in myEcon runs from Saturday to Friday. So at the close of business on Friday, whatever sales you earn up till then, you get paid on the following Friday. Simple and easy. And those direct commissions are about a 75% direct commission. So unlike other, product-based, real physical product-based companies where, you're only getting a 15, 20, maybe 35% commission, with myEcon being a digital company, you get 75% commissions on those entry points. Okay. Now, number two, as your team starts to build and grow, and then your team members make sales, they make direct commissions. Okay. You can get, depending on your rank, and I'm going to cover the ranks here, so make sure you watch this whole video. Okay. You're going to get between a $1 and a $10 override the day that someone joins. Okay. So lines 1 and lines 2 are the day that someone joins. Line number 3 is when they renew. So I'll get to that in a minute. Okay. So meaning if you sponsor Bob and then Bob goes out there and brings in people, depending on what your level is, what rank you're at, and the level that someone joins at, whether they join at the FSM level or the EBM level, okay, which basically means EBM level is $59 a month and the FSM level is $40 a month. Those are the two different levels, okay? So depending on what level they join at, you get between a $1 and $10 commission, okay? Now, again, this is as your team starts to grow and expand. In this case, Bob, when Bob goes out there and makes sales, you're making between a $1 and $10 commission based on your rank and based on the level that they join. So you're not only making commissions yourself the day that they join, but as your team starts to build and grow, you also make commissions the day that people join. And depending on your rank, this can get paid down through infinity. So every single time someone joins your team, you are making money. Simple, easy to understand. Now, number 3, line number 3 here. This is what happens when they renew. Now, the good news is the renewal point is based on the renewal dollar amount that you see there between $1 and $13. You're going to get that no matter whether you personally sponsored them or someone else sponsored them. They keep that the same, so that way there's no differentiation between the two, and it's really easy to figure out. And I can tell you, I've done a lot of comparisons with the myEcon compensation plan compared to other companies. There isn't a single company that I've found that has a higher dollar per renewal per person than myEcon. Straight up, it's just the highest out there that I've found, okay? So every single month when your team members renew, including your personals, you can get between a $1 and $13 override. And again, this can get paid down through infinity, okay? On average, of course, most of these people are realistically, by the time you get to something like Platinum or Infinity, most of these renewals are going to be anywhere between $5, $10, or even up to $13 per renewal. So these are on the higher end of what you see there between $1 and $13, okay? So I want you to picture if you had 1,000 people on your team and they were all renewing at about $10 a person, okay? That's $10,000 a month in income. Okay, now chances are if you have 1,000 people on your team, you're going to be making a lot more than that between the direct sales as well as the renewals typically being higher. But on average, 1,000 people equates to about $10,000 a month in renewals. Okay, so figuring out what you're going to be making each and every month, if you know how many people are on your team, you can do a rough estimate of how much money you're going to make. Again, really simple and easy. Now, How do you rank up in myEcon? How do you max out the compensation plan to get the most amount per renewal and the most amount the day that someone joins? Well, it's as simple as this. There's 3 ranks inside of myEcon. You have gold, you have platinum, and you have infinity. Okay. So how do you get to each of those levels? How do you maximize the myEcon compensation plan? Well, this part here is really, really simple. Okay. Okay. To get to gold, you need 2 people. Pretty simple, pretty easy to understand. To get to platinum, you need 13 people on your team. Now, just like gold, platinum, or infinity, you could personally sponsor 13 people and get to platinum, or you could sponsor 2 people and then have those people duplicate and get to 13 people. Could be any combination of the above. All right. To get to infinity, you need 75 people. Now, to be personally qualified in each of these ranks to get to gold, platinum, or infinity, you only need 2 personally sponsored people. So, in a nutshell, there is the entire myEcon compensation plan broken down in a few minutes, all on one piece of paper or one slide as you can see it. Simple and easy to understand. Recap really quick. Lines 1 and 2 is what you make the day that someone joins. You get $15, $35, or $70 direct commissions the day someone joins. Line number 2, when someone on your team duplicates, you can get between a $1 and $10 override. You get both of those, lines 1 and 2, paid out the following Friday. Line number 3, when people renew, you get that paid on the first Friday of every month. Add all these up, and plain and simple, you have the most incredible compensation plan that I have found, especially right now in 2025. And when you break down what you're actually looking at here, the compensation plan is so powerful and so effective, so simple, it fits on one slide. I've broken down other compensation plans, and these are documents that are 18, 25, 50 pages deep with so many variables. I like to keep it simple, and I like to keep it easy. I hope you understand this. If you have any questions for me, do me a favor. I left my phone number right at the top of that video. Go ahead and ask me anything. If you're ready to get started in myEcon, links in the description down below. Also, down in the description below, I leave you my full tutorial where I show you how to get over $11,000 just by activating your myEcon membership. We literally give you everything you need to get out there and start winning today. Sales funnels, email marketing, content, everything you need to get out there and go crush it. There's no better compensation plan right now than the myEcon compensation plan right here in 2025. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.